Hello, a very good afternoon, my dear boys and girls. I hope you're all doing good and you're all excited for this session, which is solely on Parabola. So, people, if you can hear me and see me very well, then let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, so that we can get started with this super duper session. Hi, Sai Ganesh, welcome, man. Banu Verma, welcome. Nice to see you, Banu. Then we have Rahul. Welcome, Rahul. Nice to see you here. So, people, this session is going to be amazing because the questions which I brought now, they're all very good and they're all going to recap the entire chapter Parabola in just 1 hour. So, if you attend this session fully, I guarantee you that you will be more confident in Parabola than ever. Okay? So, let's have a great time, people. Yes, Vishesh, I know that, man. Study only, awesome. Vigneshwaran, AD square, amazing, nice to see you here. Shreya, fabulous Shreya. Okay, people, this is the most expected questions for your JEE mains from the chapter Parabola. So this session is meant for 11th standard and 12th standard. Mainly, those who are writing JEE mains, this might be a very good session if you're writing this year. 11th standard, for you guys, it opens your mind to what level of questions you can anticipate in exams like JEE mains. Okay, so it is useful for both of you guys, both 11th and 12th. So let your friends know, invite them, and we will all have a fabulous 1 hour together. And I'm so thankful to each and every one of you for taking your time out in this afternoon. You could have slept, you could have gone out to play, but you guys chose to come here. So thank you for that. Let's have a fantastic time. Okay, so for those who are new to this channel, people, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics majorly for 11th and 12th JEE aspirants. So I used to teach the toppers batch and now I am in YouTube to help more people. More the merrier, isn't it? So I want to reach out to many people. That is why I came to YouTube and I wanted to meet you guys, the English speaking audience. So this is Vedantu JEE Enthuse channel, which is the English channel of Vedantu. So in YouTube, majority of channels, you all know that, right? Everybody knows that majority of channel is in Hindi because our nation majority speak Hindi only. So that's fair, that's understandable. But you guys were missing out. You guys were missing out on good teachers, good content, the resources of Vedantu. So that is why we thought, okay, we should reach out to you also because our goal in Vedantu, if you see, we want to reach every nook and corner of this country. Whichever language you speak, I'm sure in the coming days, in the coming years, we will reach out to you guys. So stay tuned, keep supporting like you have always been. You guys have been kind to Vedantu and we are eternally grateful for that. Okay, so people, let's get started. If you are really enjoying the content, make sure you subscribe, okay, and share it to your friends also so that more people will get to know these good content and they'll also improve. Okay, cool. If you want to reach out to me, sir, I want to talk to you, sir, I want to ask you something personal, then you can message me here. That is my Instagram account. Nowadays, Instagram is very famous, right? Everybody is in Instagram. So I thought, okay, I should also be there. I always felt I was too old for Instagram, but anyway, I'm there, so you can message me. Got it? Great. Hello, Shivali. Thank you. Amrit. Yes, Amrit. Sure. NIT Warangal. Sai, you have to get at least 150, 170 above Sai. See, top NITs are NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal, NIT Warangal. They're all good NITs. So if you want them, you have to get at least 96, 97 percentile. Okay? Now, before we get started, I have a very good news for you. And guys, this is a good, genuine news, okay? So please pay attention before you start judging, okay? Tomorrow, it's a Sunday. You guys are all free. Sunday means what? Sir, Sunday means chill day, sir. I relax, I have fun. But tomorrow, you have the VSAT exam. VSAT is the scholarship exam, okay? It is not offer, Amrit, it is scholarship exam. So if you write it, if you do well, you get scholarship of 40-50% to join Vedantu's courses, which is a great discount. Okay, so if you are interested, do check it out. And people, you know what? I will help you prepare for it. This time, I'm gonna give one more step. I'm going to help you prepare for tomorrow's VSAT. Do you know that 4 o'clock today we have a session? Do you all know that today at 4 o'clock we have a session? After this, I'm going to help each and every one of you tomorrow to kill the exam. You have to beat the VSAT, get some great scholarship, and I want to see you in Vedantu's class. That is amazing, na? So make sure you register for it and attend my 4 o'clock class. Not only my class, Shreyas sir also is conducting a class in Vedantu for VSAT for free of cost. See, who will do that? We are helping you prepare for our own exam. It's like IIT is training you for writing JEE. So Vedantu is doing that because we want to reach out to you guys to the maximum possible extent. That's our goal, I told you. We are always aligned with our goal. So I hope you guys will take it a bit seriously. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. you have the exam. So today I will help you prepare. So don't forget to come to the session because I'm going to leak some secrets. Okay? I'm going to give you some secrets. If you want to do well, better come and attend my session at 4 o'clock. My 4 o'clock session is going to be very important. Okay people, now let's get started. So are you ready for Parabola? Let's crack Parabola. Let's beat down Parabola and be done with it forever. Okay, so Parabola is a very simple one. It's going to be easy, a piece of cake. So let's do it. Let's crack it. Got it? Are you all ready? Very good. Super PES 2022. If you're already in VPro, then there's no point of you writing VSAT. But if you want to test yourself, why not? You can always test yourself. So we will. The first question for you, the legendary question which I have for you. Everybody try it. Guys, from now on, it's serious mode. From now on, everybody, whether you're watching the replay, you're doing it later, I want you to pause, take a moment and think about how to approach this and then solve it. Okay? So I have brought fabulous questions. I have brought questions wherein each and every concept is covered. So better take it very, very religiously and do it. Okay? Great. Logeshwaran, thank you so much. Welcome. Great. So we will, come on, be energetic in the chat. What are you guys doing? Okay? Be energetic. Bring your friends here. Compete with them. Try to do it. Have a group study. 5 of you sit together and watch. Like that is how you work, guys. Make your studies fun. Don't treat it as something which you hate. Don't see it like a burden. Okay? Make it fun. That's when it's interesting, right? Otherwise you'll get bored. Hi Santosh. Welcome Santosh. Nice to see you, man. Great. People, are you all ready? What are you guys doing? How long? How long? I'm waiting for some answers. So the line x minus b plus lambda y is equal to 0 cuts the parabola at 2 points. So let me draw that. Okay. So this is our regular parabola, the standard one. So I am cutting the parabola at your p, which is t1, and q, which is t2. So these are parameters. When parameters are given, you guys can find the coordinates. That's pretty simple. How do you find the coordinates? It is nothing but at1 square comma 2at1, and these coordinates is given by at2 square comma 2at2. So guys, do you think PQ is a chord of the parabola? Do you think PQ is a chord of the parabola? Absolutely right, isn't it? Shriram, thank you so much, Shriram. That is so kind of you. Okay. So guys, are you all ready? Everybody agrees this is a chord. So what is the equation of a chord? Equation of a chord, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but 2x minus y times of t1 plus t2 plus 2a t1 t2 is equal to under. This is very important. So this is a learning point. So when you come to my class, every question will teach you something. So in this question, you learn the equation of a chord. You learn the equation of a chord. So whenever you have a standard parabola y square equal to 4ax, if you're connecting 2 points P and Q, then the chord equation is given by this formula. You learnt it now. If you knew it, fantastic. I'm so happy for you. If you did not know it, make a note of it because this is important. You will be asked in your JEE Mains, in your JEE Advanced, in all your competitive exams. So better make a note of it. Everybody cool? Hi, Siddhabha Tanush. Welcome, man. Thank you so much. Now people, this line is also PQ. This line is also PQ. Correct na? X plus lambda y minus b is equal to under. So these two are the same lines. If they are the same lines, what can I say? They are proportional. Their coefficients are proportional. Because if two lines are the same, they are called as coincident lines. If they are coincident lines, what is the condition? The condition is their coefficients of x, y and constant, they are all proportional, and that is how you do it. Amazing, nah? Amazing. So that is how you do it. So it's going to be 2 by 1 is equal to minus t1 plus t2 by lambda is equal to 2a t1 t2 by b minus b. Is that right, people? That's it, over. So now from here, from these two, you can get something. What is that? You will get b is equal to minus t1 t2. How many of you liked it? B is equal to minus a t1 t2. Minus a t1 t2. Is that right? Everybody happy with that? Very good, Banu. Amrit, I think you are right, Amrit. So b is equal to minus a t1 t2. I got that. I'm going to erase everything else. If I'm going to erase everything else, is that okay with you? Guys, give me a fire in the chat. Give me a yo. Give me a AD square in the chat before we go forward. AD square for all my English speaking audience. It's like bale bale. Bale bale is Abhishek sir style. Our style is AD square. Amuku dumuku amal dumal. Okay. Great. Super, super, super. Thank you guys. Super. So now let's erase this. Let's erase this. Okay. Now what do we have? Let's have a look at it. So we have b is equal to minus t1 t2 times a. So b is between 2a to 4a. And what is b? B is minus a t1 t2. My dear boys and girls, you have to listen to this carefully. This is quite important. Now a is a positive number. A I can cancel directly because a is anyway positive. So I'll get like this. Minus t1 t2 is lying between 2 to 4. So now multiply minus everywhere. If I multiply minus everywhere, I will get like this, but the sign of the inequality will change. Why the sign of the inequality will change? Because you have a negative 1. Did you guys like it? Yeah. So it is going to be minus 2 to 4. Minus 4 to minus 2. Everybody happy? Great. Was it good? Very good PES 2022. How many of you liked it? Nandita, did you like it? Banu, Amrit, Vicky, very good, very good. Amazing, guys. So this is the way you solve it. This is just one question. We have 8 more questions. Shall we go forward? Shall we complete it very fast? Yes? Amazing. So let's move forward, my dear boys and girls, to the next question. And as always, people, join the Telegram group. The Telegram group is like a WhatsApp group where we share the content used in the class. So this slide, the PPT, I will share it with you after the class in our Telegram group. So please join. All the announcement, I make it there only. So if you are new to this channel, please join Telegram. It is like WhatsApp, Instagram. It's a social media app, but we use it majorly for teaching, for sharing content. It's a good way to keep in touch with each other. Okay, so please do that so that you don't miss out on this high quality free content. Free. This is free of cost. Now, the next question for all of you. Please try it out, guys. Thank you, Vicky. I'm glad you're enjoying it. What is your expectation about JEE Mains dates? Rajat, I think it should be in April, man. It cannot be in March. It's already late because February 5 days are over. And maybe the announcement might come in February, but the exam might be in March is what I'm guessing. Okay. April. March end or April, but mostly in April. It cannot be in March. Okay. Thank you, Satish. That is so kind of you, man. I am happy that you guys are enjoying it. And guys, I want you to learn also. Okay. So together with the same spirit, with the same energy, let's practice, let's grow together, become better. Okay, because you have 2 months time if you're in 12th standard. You have a lot of time in your hand to change things around. So we are here to help you. We are here to work hard. So you also do it along with us. You will cherish this later. Okay, you will never regret it. You will cherish it. That I can guarantee. So always come to my class with a pen and a paper and always have a mindset to learn. Mistakes, I am very lenient. I am not that strict teacher. I am very, very lenient. My students know that. I am okay with mistakes, but I like people who correct their mistakes. That is very important. Okay. Super. It is 3 by 2. Nandita, you are next level, Nandita. Very good. Banu, very good Banu. Akhilesh, this year number of attempts I think might reduce because it's already late, na? You cannot have 4 attempts, man. So I think you might have either 1 or 2 attempts. Okay, again, it's my just feeling. So feelings are always misleading. So we'll wait for the official announcement. But what I feel is 2 attempts might be there at max. Okay, so people, let's all try to solve it. Everybody, listen carefully. Normals are drawn. So guys, what is equation of normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax? The normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So this is the normal equation for a parabola, standard parabola in slope form. You should know this. If you did not know this, go learn it. So this is what I am exposing. I am exposing the areas where JEE can ask questions. So if you did not know this, you should take it a bit seriously because this is something every JEE aspirant should know. If you call yourself a JEE aspirant, you should know this. Okay, now for this parabola, 4a is equal to 4. So if 4a is equal to 4, my dear students, a is equal to 1. Did you all like that? Are you all happy with it? So if I put a as 1, what will I get? I'll get y is equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube because a is 1. Na? Now next one is it passes through this point. The normal passes through 2k, 0. So y is 0 and x is 2k. The normal is drawn from this point. So all the normals will satisfy that point. So let's do that. So put y as 0, x as 2k. So it will be 2km minus 2m minus m cube. Is that right? Now I can cancel 1m. I can take 1m outside. If I take 1m outside, I'll get what? I'll get m square plus 2 minus 2k. And that is equal to 0. Did you all like it? Everybody happy with that? Yes. So now one root is m equal to 0. The other two roots are here. M square is equal to what? You'll have 2k minus 2. Is that right? Everybody happy with that? Yup. Did you guys like it? So now from here you can get the product of the roots. Product of the roots is c by a. Product of the roots is c by a, and that you know is equal to minus 1. Okay. So now you guys can solve it. I hope you're all clear. 2k minus 2 minus m square is equal to 0. Yes, absolutely. So the roots of that is nothing but what? m1, m2. See, there are 3 roots. You have a cubic equation, right? The roots are m1, m2 and m3. Okay. So now we got one root to be 0 because you took it common, na? So one root is 0. So let's say m3 is 0. If m3 is 0, the product of other 2 roots is equal to minus 1. You can use that relation. Okay? Are you guys happy with it? Everybody cool? Everybody happy? That's it, guys. That's how you solve it. Happy? Amazing. So you bring it to the other side. So you'll have m square plus 2 minus 2k is equal to 0. So what is product of the roots? Product of the roots is c by a. Product of the roots is c by a is equal to minus 1. So you'll have 2k is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the answer. Amazing. Everybody, can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all give me a yo? Very good. That's amazing. This is how you solve it. Was it beautiful? Did you learn something nice from this question? Everybody? Very good. So shall I move forward? Craft with Diya. Diya, I think it will be in April, Diya. And the number of attempts I think might be less. It will be maximum 2, I feel, because it's too late already. It's too late. Okay, last year they had first attempt in February. Now registration itself didn't happen. So even if they start announcement now, the exam should be in April. So if April is first attempt, then they'll have probably one more attempt. Not more than that is what I'm guessing. Okay. So let's move forward, my dear boys and girls. This is the next one. Please try to solve it. Epic question. Epic question. Okay. Guys, I'll give you one more hint. The circle is in first quadrant. The circle is in first quadrant. Okay. I'll give you that hint. A circle in first quadrant touches the x-axis and also that touches other circle with center 0, 3 and radius 2. So what is the locus of center of the first circle? Everybody try to solve it. It's a good question again. Hi Deepak, welcome Deepak, nice to see you. Do you know Telugu? I can understand Telugu a little bit because I watch a lot of movies, and when I was in IIT, many of my friends were from Andhra and Telangana. Okay, many of my friends. IIT's majority is from Telangana and Andhra. That is no doubt. When I was in IIT Madras, 46% of my batch was from Telangana and Andhra. 46%. I'm not even kidding, guys. It's true. Tamil speaking was less, just 15%. But Telugu and other languages are majority. Very good. Vadlamani Akhilesh. Very good, Akhilesh. You are absolutely right. So guys, you have a circle which touches your x-axis and it also touches another circle like this. So this is 0, 3 and this center we don't know. We have to find locus of the center. Whenever you have to find locus of something, that something you will take it as h, k. Always remember, that is the method to solve locus. Whenever you are supposed to find the locus of something, take that something as h, k. Are you all happy? Did you all like it? Now people, if it touches the x-axis, can I say the radius will be equal to the y coordinate? Because this is the y-axis, na? So y coordinate is this length and radius is also this length. Very beautiful point, sir. Very beautiful point. Did you like it? So the radius of the first circle is equal to y coordinate of the center. Now you might ask me, sir, what if y coordinate is negative? But I told you, it's in first quadrant. So because it is in first quadrant, y coordinate will be positive. So that's why I put directly. Otherwise, you have to put modulus of y coordinate because radius cannot be negative. That's a good point. You should not forget that. Now, let's call this center as C1. Let's call this center as C2. Okay. Now, people, for external touching, the formula is C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. This is R1, this is R2. So, this is the formula for external touching. So, C1, C2 distance is what? C1, C2 distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to R1 plus R2, that is k plus 2, because R1 is k, R2 is 2, R2 is 2 given here. Okay, so that's it, square on both sides. You'll have h square plus k square plus 9 minus 6k is equal to k square plus 4 plus 4k. So k square will get cancelled. So the answer is x square, because now everything is cancelled. I got my locus equation. The last step is when you don't have any arbitrary constant, when you don't have any parameter, then the last step is to convert h to x and k to y. That is the last step in locus. Please remember it. First step is whatever point they asked, take it as h, k. Then try to find a relation between h and k. Once you do that, after get rid of all the parameters, all the arbitrary constants, then the last step is to convert h to x and k to y. That is how you do it, my dear boys and girls. I hope you are all clear. So it will be x square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 4 plus y. Did you all like it? Are you guys happy? 4 plus 4y, right? Yeah. Cool. Everybody happy with this? Great. Very good, very good. So the answer is x square minus 10y plus 5 is equal to 0. So it is a parabola. Can you see that? It's a parabola. It is a parabola of the form x square equal to 4ay. So it will be option C. That's the answer. Very good, Deepak, Satish, Amrit. You guys are all next level. Very good. Thank you so much, people. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hari Krishnan, fantastic. So shall I go to the next one? Everybody, shall I go to the next one? Yup. It could be internal touching. Yes. Internal touching means you have to use R1 minus R2. That's the only difference. Got it? Cool. So let's go for the next one. So this is the next question. Again, a beautiful question. Beautiful question. You will just absolutely love it. This is a question of chapter circle. Yes, but the answer is parabola. That's why I gave it. The previous one. Okay, Nandita, you are right. I agree. Good, 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 good. So people, try this question out. Everybody, finish it off quickly. And if you have any doubt, let me know. Guys, these sessions are all very good. So if you have a good friend, do share it to them also, okay? And invite them to our sessions, guys. See, it's been more than a year. We want to reach plenty of English speaking audience. So you guys know your friends. So let them know, bring them here from your school, from your class. That would mean a lot to us. Absolutely, Akhilesh. Akhilesh, you're absolutely right. Hari Krishnan, don't worry. I will explain it. It's very simple. I will make it a piece of cake for you. Okay? Very good, very good. By when should I complete my revision? Craft with Diya. You should be done with your revision by now actually. But at least by February end, finish it. Diya, at least by February end, if you finish your revision, then you can take mock test. Because Diya, before you write the actual exam, please, please, please take mock test. Without mock test, you cannot survive in the exam. Okay? So mock test is essential even for toppers. Whether you're a topper, whether you're a beginner, doesn't matter. You need to take mock test. At least 5 mock tests you should take before you write the actual exam. Okay? Cool. Hi Asif, welcome man. So people, if a normal at point P, if normal at P meets the parabola again at Q, then how many of you know the formula? Can you tell me? Then Q, T2 will be what? T2 will be very good, Amrit. Amrit, you are legendary, man. You are legendary. Absolutely correct. And Akhilesh, you are also correct, Akhilesh. Guys, see how Amrit and Akhilesh answered. I want everybody to know that formula. Because that formula, my dear students, is very important. It is property. So these things you are supposed to know. So somebody asked, what is the difference between YouTube and Pro subscription? These things we cover in Pro subscription. We give you examples. We conduct tests. We give you study material. We give you doubt classes. So Pro subscription is a complete package. We take care of you holistically. In YouTube also we take care of you. Of course we do that. We see teachers working very hard, right? You can see my voice, but still I'm here because I love you and I really want to help you guys. That's what Vedantu has done for plenty of students. Okay, so that is what we are also trying to do here. But in vPro, Vedantu Pro, you have test series, you have assignments, you have doubt solving, you have engagement. You're teaching, right? Here I am teaching, you are listening. But how do I know you are listening or not? How do I know you are participating or not? That you will get to know in Vedantu Pro subscription. We give you questions, you have to take part. We give you questions where I know what you answered. So everybody has to answer and we know that. Okay, so that is the good part about vPro. That's the difference. But otherwise YouTube also you have very good teachers who really work hard for you. Okay, super. So people, now what are they asking? Least distance of Q from tangent at the vertex of the parabola. So what is tangent at the vertex? Tangent at the vertex, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but your y-axis. So you have the y-axis and we want to find the distance of Q. So Q is what? Q is T2. So distance of Q from the y-axis will be the x-coordinate of Q. Will be the x-coordinate of Q, correct now? What is the x-coordinate of Q? Can anybody help me with that? What is the x-coordinate of Q? So let's have a look at it. So the x-coordinate of Q is nothing but a T2 square, which is nothing but a into T2 square is what? Minus T1 minus 2 by T1, because I thought you T2 is minus T1 minus 2 by T1, correct now? That's it, over. What is a over here? A for this parabola, 4a is equal to 8, so a is equal to 2. So if I put 2 here, I will get something like this. So it will be t1 square plus 4 by t1 square plus 4. That's it. I opened the square. So that is your x coordinate. That is the distance, least distance of Q from the tangent at vertex. Least distance is always the perpendicular distance. Least distance, the lowest distance of a point from a line is always the perpendicular distance. So that's what I have chosen, right? I have chosen 8t2 square because that is the perpendicular distance of the point Q from the tangent at vertex, which is your y-axis. Brilliant. Now, very good, Akhilesh. Apply AMGM inequality. Apply AMGM inequality. What does AMGM inequality say? When you have positive numbers, when you have two positive numbers, their arithmetic mean will be greater than or equal to geometric mean. Geometric mean is a product of both of them raised to the power 1 by number of terms. So this is what I want. I want that. So that, let's say, is x. Let's say that is t1 square plus 4 by t1 square. Okay. So that is greater than or equal to 2 you cross multiply. 2 into. So this will be t1 square cancel. 4 to the power half is 2. So this will be 4. So the lowest value, the minimum value of this is 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 into 2 is 16. That is the minimum value. So least value is 16. That's how you do it. Did you like it? Amrit, you are absolutely right, Amrit. Fantastic job. Fantastic job, Amrit. Very, very good. Okay. So shall I move forward? Are you guys happy? Very good, Kumar Ganesh. Very good, Nandita. Akhilesh, was it a good question? So rich concepts you are learning, people. I hope you're liking it. I hope you're all liking it. So you have what? You have learned what happens when a normal meets the parabola again at a point. So that formula you learned. And you also learned AMGM inequality. You revised it. You saw how to use it in such a good question. So these are all nice questions which can come in your actual JEE mains. So before I move to the next one, people, if you are in 11th standard, we have the new batches starting. You can check it out in the description of this video. So the 11th standard trial is just 1,350 for 1 month. It says 15 days, but it is actually 1 month trial and it is just 1,350. If you are interested, you can check it out. You can join our batches. Okay, I'll also be teaching 11th this year. So do check it out. You might like it. Okay, so light means you will not have doubt solving in app and you will not have personal mentor, but you will have everything. So Pro Lite is everything in Vedantu except doubt solving on mobile app and personal mentor. Pro Classic, you will have doubt solving. Pro Plus, you will have everything. So that's why Pro Plus is a bit expensive. And if you are someone who needs mentors, then that is the price for 2 years. Guys, imagine, 2 years means 24 months. For 24 months, you just paid 97,000. That means per month, you are paying 4,000. For the level of teachers you get in Vedantu, they are all IITians, NITians who are themselves toppers. So definitely you can check it out. You will like it. Okay, great. So that's about it. How T1 square got cancelled? Mohit, I used AMGM inequality, Mohit. I used AMGM inequality. Got it? Perfect. So now, people, please try to solve this question. Let's go forward. Let's go front and we will finish off the remaining questions fatafat and be done with it. Lokesh, NTSE is done. Awesome, Lokesh. I hope you did well. I hope you did well and you rocked your exam. Great. What about others? Are you guys trying? What are you people doing? Come on, guys. We have 5 more questions. Don't lose heart. Don't give up your energy. Maintain it and try to crack these questions because like I said, they're all very important concepts and you don't want to lose out on them. Okay? Everybody done? Mohit, Amrit, anybody with the answer? Please let me know quick. What is double ordinate? Double ordinate means it's a perpendicular chord, perpendicular to axis. So, Akhilesh, double ordinate means you have something like this. So let's say you have a parabola like this. The double ordinate will look like this, Akhilesh. Okay, it is a chord which is perpendicular to your axis. A chord which is perpendicular to your axis, you call that as double ordinate. Did you like it? So, double ordinate passing through focus means, what is that, Akhilesh? That is nothing but latus rectum. Double ordinate passing through the focus is nothing but your latus rectum. So they are saying that your point should lie here. Your point should lie here in this region. So what is the condition on this? What is the condition on this? So first thing is, what is this? Your parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 4. A for parabola, okay? Don't get confused. This a is different. So this is a for parabola. So a for parabola is 4. So this point is 4, 0. This point is 4, 0. So obviously, if this is your point, a, 2a, then we all know that a should be less than 4 because it should lie within this region. So the x coordinate of our point should be less than 4. It should lie within this region. So the x coordinate of our point should be less than 4. Second thing is, second important one is, your S1 should be less than 0. That is a condition for a point to lie inside a parabola. Both these conditions should be satisfied. Both this condition and this condition should be satisfied. What is S1 less than 0? S1 less than 0 is the condition for any general point to lie within a parabola. Okay, so let's apply that. Shall we do that, my dear boys and girls? So when I do that, what do I get? S1 means what? Y1 square minus 16x1 should be less than 0. What is y1 square? Y1 square is 4a square minus 16 into a. So 16 into a is less than 0. So I'll get what? 4a common. I'll have a minus 4 is less than 0. So our answer is a is less than 4 and a is probably greater than 0. So we'll get that a0 and a4. This is what I have. So it should be less than 0. So it should be 0 to 4. If I draw the wavy curve, I get a to be 0 to 4. That is my answer. Everybody happy? Shreya, very good Shreya. Satish, absolutely right Satish. Hi Jay, welcome man. Welcome, welcome. Banu, very good. Amrit, Nandita, very good Nandita, that's right. Answer is option B. Very, very good people. Sumit Ranjan, fantastic Sumit. Yes, you are right. Answer is option B. And Aryan, I hope you understood it, Aryan. This is a nice question. Jay, you just pull the video back and watch it, Jay. Okay? Because we have a lot of good questions to cover. Let's move forward. Next one. Come on, people. Good question again. Good question. All JEE type questions. All are JEE type questions. So better solve them right. Come on. Great, great, great. Everybody please try to do it. Super, super, super. Questions are cool and crazy. Absolutely, Satish. They're all very good questions, na? Yeah. For your JEE mains, they are very important. Shah Shuhaib, welcome Shuhaib. Nice to see you here, man. Welcome to our channel. Anushk, I'm doing fabulous. Thank you for asking. I hope you guys are also enjoying your life and you're all preparing for your JEE mains very hard. Superb. So now people, let's solve it. The normal at the point meets the parabola again at Q. So we know that. Correct now? Because we know T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1. So here T1 is P and T2 is Q. Did you guys like that? T1 is P, T2 is Q. So that's why T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Super, na? Are you guys clear? Very good, very good. Aryan, don't worry. Just pull the video back, revise parabola and come and see this session. You will be able to follow. Okay? Because these are all very good questions that I'm discussing, Aryan. It's a problem solving session. So you're expected to know the theory. So please revise the theory and come. Kavya, welcome Kavya. Nice to have you here. So Kavya, Aryan and people who are not revised theory, please first check my parabola session. Read the theory. listen to the lectures and then come to this class, then you will follow. So please do that, everybody. Hi Seturoti, welcome man. Sparkle Magic, this is for class 11 and 12. This is for class 11 and 12 because Parabola is from class 11. Now people, let's have a look at it. Now the line joining origin to P. What is the slope of line joining origin to P? It is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And similarly, slope of line joining origin to Q is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So now these two slopes are perpendicular because they are at right angles. So MOQ and MOP is equal to minus 1, the product. So I can cancel AA, I can cancel PP. So 2 by P into 2 by Q is equal to minus 1. So you'll have PQ is equal to minus 4. Is that right? Did you guys like it? Are you all happy? Now what is Q? Q is nothing but P into Q. Q is what? Minus P minus 2 by P is equal to minus 4. So minus 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 will get cancelled. So I'll have P square plus 2 is equal to 4. So P square is equal to 2. Beautiful. Amazing, sir. Next level question. Thank you, Kavya. Kavya, I'm so happy to hear that. I'm glad you are enjoying the lectures. Very good. Jagadish, that means you have to revise basics, Jagadish. This is war time. So war time, you should not ask, sir, where is my sword, sir? Where is your sword means you have to bring your sword. This is battle. In battle, we only solve problems. You should not ask, where is my sword? Where is my weapon? You should have brought it. You should revise. Okay. So I have already taught you all this, Jagadish, Kavya, Aryan. Go check out my videos. Watch them. Learn from them. Practice hard. That's how you grow up higher. Okay. So people, if you liked it, shall I move forward? Can you all give me a yo? Can you all give me a fire? Can you all give me a thumbs up in the chat? Quickly, people. Come on, people. Everybody. Fatafat. Very good. Great. So let's move to the next question. Here we go. People, please try to solve this. Again, a fantastic question. This is a bit easy. This, I think everybody can solve. Okay? Everybody can solve this, so please try it out. Thank you, Sparkle Magic. I'm glad you are enjoying it. Great, great, great. JEE Mains expected dates. Kavya, I think it might be in April. It might be in April is what I'm guessing. Okay. So don't worry. You have time, Kavya. Prepare. Use this time well. If you're in 12th, check out Vedantu's crash course. If you're in 11th, we have a long-term batch for you. So all that, try to utilize it. The link is given below in this description. You have crash course. You have 11th courses. NDA crash course. So use it. Work hard. You can improve. In YouTube also we teach for free. You can check out our lectures over here as well. Okay. Thank you, Charan. So people, now what do we have? This parabola passes through this point. So this point should satisfy the parabola. So if I put x as 0, y should be 2. If I put x as 0, y should be 2. So from here, I get the value of b directly. B is 2. Laddu. So B is 2. This is wrong. This is wrong. That's it. Directly we got it. Okay. This is called elimination. This is called elimination method. Okay. Are you all clear? Now people, the next one. The tangent at x equal to 3 by 2 is parallel to x-axis. That means what? The slope of tangent dy by dx at 3 by 2 is 0. So what is slope of tangent? The slope of tangent is equal to 2ax minus 6. So at x equal to 3 by 2 I should find. At x equal to 3 by 2 it is 0. So it will be 2a into 3 by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. So a will be how much? A will also be 2. So the answer is option B. Did you guys like it? Was it amazing? Nandita, very good. Sumitra, very good afternoon. Nice to see you here, Sumitra. Welcome. Rahul, JEE Advance. No idea, Rahul. It might be in July, August or September. We don't know. It depends on JEE Mains date. Because only after JEE Mains, the results are announced. Then only JEE Advance can start. Okay? Very good, Mohit. Mohit, very good, man. You are awesome. Keep it up, Mohit. Good job. So this is the next one for you guys. Please try it out. Very interesting question. Very interesting question. I hope you guys are all enjoying the questions. Is that right? Are you all happy? You guys are all learning a great deal of information. I hope you like it. Cool, cool, cool. Great. Narayan, don't worry. Once you revise, if you revise your theory of parabola and then you watch this, you will be able to follow. But please try to revise, Narayan. Okay, directly don't come to problem solving. Maths, the way you learn is concept, problem solving. Learn concept, problem solving. So you need to learn the concept and come. Got it? Okay. Very good. Absolutely. So what is the tangent to a parabola? Tangent to a parabola is y equal to mx plus a by m. Is that right? Everybody agrees with me? Did you all enjoy it? So the tangent to a parabola, no, Nandita, you don't have to use that. You don't have to go to that level. Okay? We know tangent to a parabola is y equal to mx plus a by m. Correct now? Everybody clear? Did you all like it? Yes? Are you guys happy? Now. We know a is 1. Why is a 1? Because 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. I got that. So if I do this, now this is my tangent equation. Now my point P, this tangent passes through. And I want to find locus of P. Whenever you have to find locus of something, take that point as h comma k. Take that point as h comma k. Is that right? So now people, this h comma k lies on this line. So I'll put y as k and x as h. So now I'll get a quadratic equation, right? M square h minus km plus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the sum of the roots? m1 plus m2. Sum of the roots is equal to how much? Sum of the roots is k by h. What is the product of the roots? Product of the roots is equal to 1 by h. So now this is what? This is theta 1 plus theta 2 is pi by 4. Where theta 1, theta 2 are the inclination of this tangent with the x-axis. So m1 is equal to tan theta 1. m2 is equal to tan theta 2. So we know tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 1. Because tan theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 will be 1. So now I can write this as m1 plus m2 by 1 minus m1 m2 is equal to 1. That's it. So you will get m1 plus m2 k by h is equal to 1 minus m1 m2 which is 1 by h. That's it. So you will get k is equal to h minus 1. Y is equal to x minus 1. That's the answer. Y is equal to x minus 1 which is option C. Did you guys get that? Very good. Very good, Akhilesh. Very good. I love PCM. Banu. You guys are amazing. Mohit. Very good, Mohit. You are absolutely right. Very good. Abhinaya. Welcome, Abhinaya. Nice to see you here. Brilliant, Abhinaya. Great. So that's about it. Hi, Soundarya. Welcome, Soundarya. Nice to have you here. So people, let's go to the next one. This is a beautiful question based on properties. Try to finish it off, my dear boys and girls. Everybody try to do it. Hello, A.S. Murugan. Welcome, A.S. Murugan. Nice to see you. Great, great, great. In the following figure, AS is equal to 4, SP is equal to 9. Then what is the value of SZ? See, A is what? A is the vertex. So A is the vertex. So 0, 0 is A. So what is AS? AS is equal to A. And what is SP? SP is equal to what? Focal distance. SP is focal distance, which is nothing but distance from directrix. Now, which is nothing from distance from directrix. So this will be A, this will be AT square. So people, SP is actually equal to PM, which is AT square plus A. Got it? Are you all happy? Now what is SZ? SZ is equal to under root of Z is this, S is this. So what is SZ? Can you guys help me here? SZ is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So can I say SZ square is equal to A square into 1 plus T square? Is that right, people? So can I say it is equal to AS into SP? So beautiful relation we got. SZ square is equal to AS into SP or PS. So it is equal to 4 into 9. So it is equal to 36. So SZ square is equal to 36. So SZ is 6. Legendary. Are you all happy? Did you guys like it? Yep. Pratik, very good Pratik, absolutely right. Sri Darshini, you are also right. Guys, this is a very beautiful question because it is based on geometry. So this is actually a property. SZ square is equal to AS into SP. Okay. SZ square is equal to AS into SP. Very, very good property. I hope you're all clear with it. Absolutely. The foot of perpendicular from the focus onto the tangent will lie on the tangent at vertex. Very beautiful, Soundarya. I am glad you remember these properties. They are very important. Okay. So guys, I hope you're all clear. With that, we will move forward. These are all very simple concepts. What is eccentricity? Eccentricity is the ratio of PS by PM. Distance from fixed point focus to the distance of the point from a fixed line. So that is called as eccentricity. For a parabola, it is 1. Okay. So here, PS is equal to PM because for parabola, eccentricity is 1. PS by PM is 1 because E is 1 for a parabola. That's why I wrote PS as PM. I wrote PS as PM. What is PM? Distance of the point from the directrix. What is the directrix? Directrix is x equal to minus A. Okay. Guys, you're supposed to know this, guys. You cannot come to this class without revising anything. These are all LKG stuff. These are all LKG stuff. So you need to know this. You cannot come without preparing. Got it? So let's move forward. The last question for the day. The last question for the day. Please try to solve it. It's a beautiful question. Great, great. So guys, whenever you come to a most expected questions now, please come prepared because I cannot teach you here. I can only solve. If I teach you, then it will deviate the class. Some people will know everything. They'll think, what is this guy doing? This sir is explaining too much. And some guy will tell, sir, I don't know anything. Tell me from beginning. So that is very difficult now because in YouTube, we have everybody. So I will follow the middle path. I will follow the logical path. So this is a problem solving session. You are supposed to learn and come. You are supposed to learn and come. You cannot come directly. Got it? So please understand that. Next time, come prepared. That's all I can say. Okay, so people, this is your question. I hope all of you are ready. Very good. Super, super, super. So guys, see, let's take any random point on this. Can I say any random point on this will be t comma 4 minus 2t. Just take x coordinate as t. Take x coordinate as t. So can I say y will be 4 minus 2t if x is t? Got it? So that's what I've taken. So that is any random point on this line. From here, I am drawing chord of contact to this. What is chord of contact? Chord of contact is t equal to 0. So for y square equal to minus 4x, how do you write t equal to 0? It is y1 minus 4 times of x plus x1 by 2. X plus x1 by 2. Guys, this is how you do it. Now, I know some people will ask me, sir, how did this come? You need to know it. You need to revise and come. T equal to 0 for this parabola, this is how you find it. Y square, you will change it as y1. X, you will change it as x plus x1 by 2. Are you all clear? Are you all clear with it? Perfect. So now that's it, people. That's it. It's over. Because x1 is t, y1 is 4 minus 2d. So substitute and get the answer. You guys will finish it off. Substitute it and get the answer. If you have any doubt, let me know. If you have any doubt, Banu, you did not understand, Banu. If you did not understand, let me know. I will try to help you. See, guys, what I did was, first, I took a general point on this line. Any general point on this line, you can take it. You can take it as t comma 4 minus 2t, because you put t in the place of x, you put 4 minus 2t in the place of y. It will always be satisfied. So that's what I have done. Then, why did I do that? Because any point on this line, you're drawing chord of contact. Okay, so from points on this, you're drawing chord of contact. That's why I got any general point on it. From here, I will draw chord of contact whose equation is t equal to 0. T equal to 0, how do you find out? Y square will become y1. X will become x plus x1 by 2. Got it? Are you all clear? Everybody? So now put y1 as 4 minus 2t. Put x1 as t. And you will get your answer. So y into 4 minus 2t is equal to minus 2x minus 2x1. x1 is t. So this is the final expression. So if I simplify it, what will I get? Let's have a look at it. If I simplify it, what will I get? I will get 2x. Then you'll have plus 4y. Then you'll have plus t into 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. Is that right? 2x plus 4y plus t into 2 minus 2y equal to 0. So now this is family of straight lines. L1 plus t is lambda. This is L2 equal to 0. So they pass through intersection of L1 and L2. So what is intersection of L1 and L2? So 2x plus 4y equal to 0 and 2 minus 2y equal to 0. You need to solve it. So y will be 1, x will be minus 2. Okay, y will be 1, x will be minus 2. That's your answer. Brilliant question, guys. It's amazing. It's an amazing question. Okay, is that right, people? I hope I solved it correct. Please check it out. Okay, was it good? Now, Mihir is asking, sir, can you draw the diagram? Yes, Mihir, I'll draw the diagram. See, this is our parabola. Y square equal to minus 4x. 2x plus y square equal to minus 4x will be like this. Okay. Now 2x plus y equal to 4 means x is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is 4. So this is the line. From here, we are drawing many chord of contacts. From any point on this line, I am drawing two tangents, let's say. So let's say I am drawing two tangents. I connect them. That is called chord of contact. So this is one chord of contact, Mihir. Like that, I am drawing many chord of contacts. So from this point, I will draw a tangent and I'll draw one more tangent. So and again I'll draw. Like that, if you keep drawing chords of contact, they will all pass through one point. If you keep drawing all the chord of contact, okay, let's say this passes through this point. So if you draw this, they'll all pass through one fixed point. That fixed point is this one. That's what we are supposed to find. Did you like it now? From every point on this line, I draw two tangents and I draw the respective chord of contact. Like that, I do it for every point on this line. Every point on this line means infinite chord of contact. All of them will pass through one fixed point. That point is minus 2, 1. Great. Did you like it? So such a beautiful question. I taught you chord of contact. I taught you family of straight lines. And we also did parabola. This is the level to which you have to practice. This is what we teach you in the crash courses. So people, if you're a serious aspirant, then I would highly recommend you to check out the Vedantu crash course. If you are preparing for 2022 exam, the exam will come in April. See, I will try my best to teach you a lot of things. But many of you are asking, right? Sir, we don't know the theory, we don't know the content, we don't know these tricks. So that you will get to learn here. If you are interested, do check it out. It will be a quick way to recap and revise everything. Okay? So this is the Vedantu JEE crash course for 2022, and the entire price is just 8,000 now. The price has reduced, guys. It was 10K, it became 9K. Now it is just 8,000. So if you are interested, check it out. What do we have in this? Full revision, complete revision of 11th and 12th, both 11th and 12th, physics, chemistry, maths, along with all India mock test, along with test series. We'll give you 10 part test, which means unit wise, and 10 full test. So testing is very important, guys, because it teaches you exam temperament, how to sit for 3 hours and solve the paper. That you learn through test. See, at this point of time, you should be very intense. You cannot come once in a day, 4 o'clock, Shimon sir will come on YouTube. One day, one lecture, that's it. That is not enough, guys. You need to work for at least 8 hours. In crash course, we teach you at least for 6 hours a day. Every day you have classes for 6 hours, 4 hours. You can watch the replay, you can use the session PDF, all that will be shared to you. So in case, if you feel, I want to make a difference in the last few days, I also want to be a topper, because when I say crash course is good, you need to ask me, what are the results, sir? Did you produce good results? Yes, last year, 900 students got 99 percentile. Do you think it's a simple feat? It's an amazing achievement. 900 students got 99 percentile. So you can also do it with the help of these amazing courses that is brought to you by Vedantu. Okay, so I will show you how to access it. So people, if you want to check out the crash course, all you need to do is go to the YouTube Enthuse channel, okay, and you click on this link. Just come below the link, and you see here JEE crash course is there. Click on that and buy it. It is just 8,000 rupees right now. And people, don't forget to register for VSAT. You have the VSAT exam coming up. So for 11th standard, 10th standard students, this is very important. So don't forget to register for VSAT exam. It is a scholarship test if you are in 11th standard. Okay, for 12th people, crash course is going on. You can check it out. It is probably the best course right now for you guys. Okay, guys, it's really good. Okay, you go access it, you will know it. It is really good because you have fantastic teachers, very good content, very good test series, doubt solving, and you have session notes. So it's a complete package. Do check it when you have time. Later, don't regret it. Okay, so guys, join our Telegram channel. I will share the PDF here. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I want to see you again. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, share it to your friends in school, in your relatives, cousins, everybody. You share it, bring them over here, catch hold of them and bring them, so that we will all have fun together. Did JEE announcement come? No, it didn't come. I am guessing it will be in April, because if they announce in February, they cannot keep it in March. Any code for discount? Satyam, if you use the link directly, you can use the code SJCC. It is already there. The link which I showed you now below this video. Just below this video, the link, it already has the code. Use it, enjoy and learn, grow, become a better person. That's all we want. Okay. So all the best. Take care, guys. Love you. See you in the next one at 4:30 or 5. I'll let you know. Bye-bye, guys.